Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you avoid buyer's remorse faster than you can say, "Oops, I bought a lemon." Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops. On my left, we have the Kenmore SM2050, the mop that claims to clean your floors and your conscience at the same time. And on my right, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop, which sounds like it's just one bad review away from a reality TV show. Let's see which one deserves a gold star for cleanliness and which one should be sent to the corner with a dunce cap. First up, let's talk about the price. The Kenmore is sitting pretty at $89, while the Dirt Devil has a more wallet-friendly price tag of $74. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Dirt Devil, noting it's a great option for those on a budget. However, many also feel that the extra $15 for the Kenmore is justified given its additional features and versatility. So, if you're on a budget, the Dirt Devil is like that friend who always pays for dinner but only orders water. But hey, you might want to consider if that extra $15 for the Kenmore is worth it for all the extra features, or if you just want to feel fancy while you mop. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty: cleaning power. The Kenmore claims it can remove 99.9% of dust, which is great if you want to impress your in-laws. Reviewers are generally satisfied with its cleaning power, although some have mentioned that its single steam jet design limits its disinfecting ability. The Dirt Devil, on the other hand, relies on heat and water and has received praise for its ability to leave floors barely damp and dry quickly, making it effective for sealed, hard floors. But let's be real. Who needs that much heat when you can just let your kids spill juice everywhere? Next, let's talk versatility. The Kenmore is a 2-in-1 handheld steam cleaner, making it a handy tool for various cleaning tasks, and reviewers love its lightweight and versatile nature. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil is more focused on hard floors, which some users find limiting if they have carpets. However, those with hardwood floors rave about its effectiveness. So if you live in a house full of carpet, this mop might be as useful as a chocolate teapot. But hey, if you are a hardwood enthusiast, the Dirt Devil might just be your new best friend. Maneuverability. The Kenmore has swivel steering that allows you to dance around furniture like you're auditioning for Dancing with the Stars. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use in navigating tight spaces. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil boasts a 180-degree swivel head, which also gets good reviews for maneuverability, although some find it a bit short, causing discomfort. Just make sure you don't get too carried away, or you might end up mopping your neighbor's floors instead. Now, let's talk features. The Kenmore comes with a bristle tool, angle tool, scraper tool, and more, making it the ultimate cleaning toolkit. And users appreciate its various attachments. It's like a cleaning Avengers team. The Dirt Devil keeps it simple with 3 mode settings, which is great unless you're the kind of person who needs an instruction manual to operate a toaster. Some reviews mention that simplicity can be an advantage, but others wish for more versatility. But hey, sometimes simple is better, right? In summary, both the Kenmore SM2050 and Dirt Devil Steam Mop have their strengths and weaknesses. The Kenmore is praised for its versatility and cleaning power, while the Dirt Devil is celebrated for its budget-friendly price and effectiveness on hard floors. Ultimately, it depends on your specific cleaning needs and preferences. So which mop reigns supreme? If you want versatility and a touch of luxury, the Kenmore SM2050 might be your best bet. But if you're on a budget and just want to get the job done without breaking the bank, the Dirt Devil is a solid choice. Just remember, at the end of the day, the best mop is the one that actually gets used. Whether you choose to steam your floors or just pretend you live in a clean house, make sure you buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own steam mop stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it fun.